In this video, I'll show you how to add a user in Klaviyo, such as a staff member or assistant, so they can help manage your account. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your organization name in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Once you're in the account settings, select the Users option. This will open the Users section, where you can see all currently active members in your Klaviyo dashboard. If you are the only user, you will just see your own profile. To add a new user, click on Add New User. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. Then select their role by clicking on the User Role drop-down menu. Here you will find several options. For example, if you choose Admin, the user will have the same permissions you do, with full access to view and edit anything. Choosing Manager gives them almost full access, but they won't be able to export emails or edit or delete users. Other available roles include Analyst, Campaign Coordinator, Content Creator, and Support, each with its own set of permissions. Review the description for each role to determine the best fit for your new user. Once you've chosen a role, click Add User. An invitation will be sent to the email you entered, and you can view its status under the Inactive Viewers section. When the user receives the invitation in their inbox, they can click Account Setup, create a password, and then log in to start managing your Klaviyo dashboard. This is how you can add a new user in Klaviyo.